Alright guys, today we're going back to the river because we hit 5 likes on the video. This is Pat, you guys remember him, right? Yeah, so we're going down to the river. It's a little chilly out here, it's like 10 degrees. So here we go. Alright, the river looks pretty chilly today. I'm gonna have a good time though.
Ice cold.
Oh my god, those ducks are crazy. Oh my god, they're crazy. Look at these crazy ducks. They're so crazy.
They're so big.
There's some big ducks though. Look at how big are those ducks?
Those are big ducks. Oh my god.
Oh my god, those ducks are big, bro. Alright guys, we're down at the river. It's pretty chilly. My hands are gonna fall off. Let's get in the river. Alright, we're in the river.
Oh my god, it's cracking.
Ah! Ah! Alright guys, I thought I was gonna fall in, but it's just more ice under here.
Yo, my throat is off.
Ah! Here, bro, film me. Alright,
Whoa, it's so over. Oh god. Oh god.
oh my god. Look, it's like a pizza. I could go pizza. Nice.
We're in the river. Woo!
Yeah, we did it.
Alright, time to go home.
Whoa.
I'm in the middle of a lake.
Alright guys, we're actually walking on the river pretty far out. Look how far out we are. It's pretty far. It's pretty thick ice, you know? This is kind of scary. I don't want to fall in, even though I'm supposed to jump in, but it's okay. I'm not gonna. Alright, this is that 5 like special, boy. That 5 like special.
Oh my god, I'm exploding. Like, is that a turtle over there?
What?
There's a turtle over there.
It's a turtle! Whoa!
Hey guys, I'm just gonna use my toilet really quick. Let me just flush it before. Oh my god, it's broken! Oh my god! Wait, why is... Oh, it's because it's flushing, it's not doing that much.
Oh, okay.
What? Oh, shoot. Sorry, guys.
How's that toilet water taste? Is it good?
It's so good. God, this looks like a porn.
Wow, talent.
Whatever happened to predictability? The milk.
Nice.
I love you. I ain't never gonna stop loving you.
Bitch.
Sucks. Let's go home.
Yo. guys, that's the vlog. Like, subscribe. I'll see you later. It's cold. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Go check out Pat's channel.
In the description.
Yeah, link in the description. I'm also gonna put it
Up there, in the left, up there.
One of these corners, I'll put it in, and you can go check out his video because it's gonna be really good. It's really funny. It's good. Remember,
It's good.
Remember to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time when we do another video.
Subscribe.
Yeah. Double dab.
Little brother Jakey tried to roast me.
Little brother Jakey try to roast me? What? Little brother standing on his own 2 feet? Not for long. I'm a dog, you're a puppy, call you Kong. Let's talk about your garbage that you call a song. It should be every other day, just some strong advice. I made you famous once.